Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about stress and why it can cause hair loss. So when you're stressed out, your adrenals get shut down. The adrenals is what responsible for controlling the hormones that put you in a fight or rest state. So when you are stressed, your body goes into a fight state. So all your eliminative organs and hormones are suppressed. That's why you can't use the washroom when you're stressed. So for you to get over that, you have to obviously relax, and the best way to do that is to meditate, to pray, to understand that everything you're experiencing is just temporary, and there's nothing in this world that is permanent. The only thing that's permanent is change. Everything changes whether you like it or not. So whatever your experience is going through, it's just a matter. It's just be patient and have the knowledge that nothing is permanent. The other thing you want to do is you want to take care of your body and eat the right kind of food. So when your adrenals shut down, it shuts down the kidneys as well, which means you can't filter. If you can't filter, the lymphatic system is going to back up, and the acids are going to cause health issues. So make sure you're eating not cooked food. Sorry, make sure you're eating only fruits, raw fruits, because eating cooked foods or eating any acid-causing food is going to make the problem worse. You're going to get ill. So I hope this helped you. So again, for stress, meditate, pray. Just taking 5 minutes in the morning to meditate is going to make a difference for you. It's going to keep you grounded. If you don't believe in meditating, you can pray as well. And you're going to be healthy, you're going to feel good, and your day is going to go great. Whatever bumps in the road you feel, just remember it is temporary, and get back on track, eat the right kind of foods, and you are going to flourish.